Pura Fall 2015 recipient. And so my project this semester was looking at how macrophages, which are cells that are one of the primary first lines of defense within the body, how macrophages regulate the intracellular ROS within their cells. So I'm going to show you a little bit about the lab space we worked in and exactly what our experimental setup was. So for our experimental design, we cultured a macrophage cell line within lab, and 24 to 48 hours after we transfected it with a plasmid DNA that basically labels the peroxisomes within the macrophages, we go into this room and prep them for imaging by washing them with warm media. Cells are prepped for imaging. We put them on this heated stage of our confocal microscope, and once we have the settings correctly set up on the computer, we image our cells within the red range in order to track labeled peroxisomes within our macrophage cells. We also, while they're on the heated stage, we treat them with fluorescently labeled bacteria in order to image the cell, or in order to track the phagocytosis of these bacteria particles by the macrophages. So with this experimental setup, we're able to simultaneously track the labeled peroxisomes and phagosomes and see how they're interacting within the macrophages. That's it. We're able to produce images like this one, where our cells have the labeled peroxisomes in red and the labeled bacteria particles in green. So as you can see in this video, there are 3 cells in frame, and you can see these green dots right there where the bacteria are in relationship to the cells. These videos were able to put the images through MATLAB in order to track the particles simultaneously. So when we did this semester, we found some very interesting behaviors of this whole system of the ingested bacteria with the peroxisomes. So while more troubleshooting needs to be done in order to collect significant data on this, the preliminary data is very promising for future studies.